In this video, you'll learn all about removing the soft gel press-ons from Doonails. You'll need a remover bowl or other optional bowl, the 2-in-1 file and buffer, a wooden cuticle stick, our remover oil, as well as optionally the remover liquid and our cotton balls. And here's how it's done. First, apply remover oil to the edges of your nails and massage it in carefully. Next, fill the bottom part of the remover bowl with warm water, 1 to 2 full pipettes of remover oil and 2 pumps of liquid soap. If you've used nail glue, simply add an additional 2 to 3 tablespoons of our remover liquid. Now immerse your hand in the oil mixture and remove your fingers briefly to mix all the liquids well. You can cover your hand with a small towel and after about 5 minutes remove your hand from the mixture. Now try gently loosening the press-ons from your nails with a wooden cuticle stick so the oil can penetrate underneath. After another 5 minutes, remove your hand from the oil mixture and set aside the bottom part of the remover bowl. To now remove the press-ons from your nails, use the wooden cuticle stick again and lift them off gently. Remove any adhesive residue gently from your nails. You can then easily remove any remaining adhesive with a cotton ball and some remover liquid by making circular motions. To remove adhesive residue from your press-ons, simply slide the tip of the wooden cuticle stick under the residue and twist until all the glue is detached. Very important, disinfect the removed press-ons before reusing them and let them dry well on a towel. Then gently correct the nail surface with the buffer side. Residue of liquid nail glue can also be gently removed with the file side. If these are difficult to remove, simply fill the bottom part of the remover bowl with warm water, soak the cotton balls in our remover liquid and place them in the top part of the bowl. Then rub your nails against the cotton balls for about 5 minutes to completely remove the adhesive residue. Finally, proper nail care shouldn't be missed. Apply nail oil and distribute it carefully over your nails. And that's it. That's how easy it is to remove the Doonails soft gel press-ons.